You have probably seen channels like these before. Faceless, simple yet pulling millions of views and making serious money every month. But have you ever wondered, can we actually replicate this kind of channel using just one tool like Vexub? That's what we are going to find out in this video. You already know about Vexub from my previous videos. It's an AI platform that can take your ideas and turn them into videos, handling scripts, voiceovers, visuals, and more. But can it actually handle an entire niche like health and wellness? Let's see. The niche itself is straightforward but powerful. People are always looking for tips, advice, and insights about their health. It's evergreen, meaning the audience is constant. You don't need flashy trends or personalities, you just need useful, engaging content. And the catch is, creating this content manually takes time. You need to find ideas, make scripts, record voice, and edit videos with footage or images. But the beauty of channels in this niche is that most of them are faceless and automated. The audience comes for the information and stays because the content delivers value. And this is exactly where Vexub shines. So for this, first we need a video topic. You can brainstorm ideas using ChatGPT or simply check other successful channels in the niche. For example, let's take this video from Horizon's Health as inspiration. Now head over to vexub.com, select create a video, then text to video. Since we're focusing on long form content, choose horizontal in step 2. Step 3 is where you can pick a narrator, but for a fully faceless video, we'll skip that and choose no narrator. Then select a professional AI voice for the audio. Step 4 is the real magic. Paste your title, click generate script, and Vexub instantly creates a ready-to-use script. It's already solid, but you can always tweak it and personal touches or refine it to match your style. Once you are satisfied, move to step 5. Here you choose your image style. For health and wellness, natural and relatable visuals work best. So I'm going with human videos, but you can explore custom styles too. Want everything to have a green tone? Want only images with people? Vexub lets you adjust it all. Then click on start generation. Sit back and Vexub does the heavy lifting. Within minutes, you have a full video ready. Play it and
He
check
lost
it.
70 pounds and cured his high blood pressure. David was tired of feeling sluggish. Every step felt heavy, and his blood pressure readings were alarming. Doctors warned him.
It already looks professional, but don't stop there. You can swap AI-generated images and stock footage, tweak scenes, and make it perfect for your audience. Once everything is ready, export the video and it's ready to upload. That's it. A fully automated faceless health and wellness video created from start to finish with one tool. This is the power of Vexub. You can start a niche channel, grow it consistently, and maintain full automation without spending hours on editing. And if you are serious about content creation, Vexub offers free credits to try it out, and their subscription packages are very reasonable compared to hiring editors or voice actors. So what do you think? Can you see yourself starting a faceless health and wellness channel using Vexub? Let me know in the comments, and also suggest other niches you would like to me test with this tool. That's all for today's video. Check out Vexub, start creating, and I will see you in the next one with more tips and ideas for faceless content creation.